Sometimes you are looking for answers. You don't know where to look. You can't find it on the internet. You can't find it in a book. You needed someone you can trust to make the world less strange, to find the answers you were looking for, to make your own ripples of change.
Ripples learning, ripples of change.